Hey, what's up guys? This is Rob with Fruit of Labor Landscaping, and I'm out here in my own home garden and food forest we call the Serene Forest. And a couple weeks ago, in fact I think it was around 2 weeks ago, I posted a video about my eggplant and how I'd been having aphids on it, and basically just waiting to see if the natural predators would show up before I did anything to try and treat it for aphids. And I'll link the video in the description where we show the predators that did show up. And then I basically said, hey, we're done with this series on the aphids on my eggplant. But I wanted to show you guys where we're at with the eggplant now, and some pretty cool findings basically that shows that if you just kind of leave things alone and you let the predators do their thing, and you have a variety planted, that you can survive certain gardening pests. So check this out. All right, so here's the eggplant that had all the aphids on it, and the aphids are still here, definitely reduced compared to what they were. This bad looking leaf here, as you can tell, still has ants on it, and then as we get closer you can see that it still has the green aphids that were here, that were almost on every leaf before. And that was actually the only leaf that I was quickly able to see any aphids on. So we definitely have a huge reduction in the aphid population. The plants are looking pretty good. We are starting to see a little bit of some leaf damage and browning, like this one here. But outside of that, we're actually doing so well, and the aphids the eggplant is still doing well. In fact, here's another predator showing up that hopefully will be laying some eggs, so that the lady beetle or ladybug larva will be able to keep controlling the aphids for us. Which I'll just quickly segue into. As soon as you let the natural predators come, they're going to be on pretty much like a constant patrol, because they've identified that there is a food source, and they basically just keep doing routine patrols to come and take care of the problem for you. So if you let those gardening pests stick around for a little while, you're going to have the gardening beneficial predators that are also going to continue to stick around. But the point of this video was I wanted to show you guys that the eggplant is doing well, and in fact so well that I have a fruit. Let me get a better shot for that egg. So there's a fruit there. This bloom here looks like it is also going to become a fruit. You can see how it's swollen up, and that's a good indicator that it's going to set fruit. In fact, this one right here looks like it'll probably set a fruit as well. And then got two more over here that look like they're going to set fruit. So just letting nature do its thing, and I'm going to have a productive eggplant. Now there's 4 planted here. I think it's 4. It might be 3. That one looks like it's probably going to set fruit as well. And maybe even that one. So the point is that, oh, here's another one. The point is that by allowing the natural predators to come in, not only are my plants saved, but they're happy enough to be fruiting, and that's really exciting. So just another win for natural predators in establishing an ecosystem in your garden. I hope you guys will do the same. And like I said, if you want to see those videos kind of documenting the process of the aphids arrival and then how long it took to actually see the natural predators show up, check out the videos that I'm going to link in the description down below. Thanks for watching, guys, and if you like this, please subscribe and support us on YouTube, so that we can definitely in the long term keep bringing videos like this to you. All right, guys, have a good week.